With increasing requirements for safety, reliability, and environmental friendliness of power-generating equipment, more and more companies are switching from conventional mineral transformer oil to synthetic dielectric fluids. One of the most common modern solutions is MIDEL 7131, a synthetic organic ester that contains no halogens, features a high environmental performance, and ensures increased fire resistance during the operation of high-voltage equipment. One of the distinctive features of MIDEL 7131 is its ability to retain a considerable amount of moisture without significant deterioration of electrically insulating properties. The typical moisture content of this fluid can reach 50 parts per million or more, which is considerably higher than that of mineral transformer oils. However, even with this feature, in order to ensure maximum electrical safety and stability of parameters, the fluid requires dehydration before bringing into use, especially when it comes to power supply and distribution transformers, voltage regulators, cooling systems for power electronics, thyristors. Dehydrated and degaussed MIDEL ensures a high dielectric strength, stable electrical characteristics and minimizes the risk of electrical breakdown. GlobeCore professionals have developed 3 technological solutions adapted to different moisture levels of MIDEL 7131. 1. Dehydration by coagulation, CMM-CF plants. This technique is recommended in cases where the moisture content of MIDEL is excessive, 50% or greater. Dehydration is carried out without heating. Through a moisture coagulation process, water molecules in the fluid combine to form droplets, which are then separated and discharged into a special container. Advantages of this method: high efficiency even at a very high moisture content. Low power consumption. No need for complex heating elements. Ease of implementation in the field. 2. Dehydration with the use of zeolite-based units. Another option of dehydration is based on the use of a sorbent called zeolite, which thoroughly absorbs moisture from fluids. The sorbent granules reliably retain moisture, as well as can be regenerated with GlobeCore technology and then reused. The main advantages of this technique include dehydration without heat exposure of fluid, ability to operate continuously in a closed cycle, energy efficiency and savings on maintenance costs, ease of operation. This method is particularly efficient during the preliminary dehydration stages, or for maintaining low moisture levels in MIDEL 7131 fluid storage tanks. 3. Thermal vacuum dehydration, CMM-LT units. When it is required to achieve a moisture level of 100 to 50 parts per million, for example, before filling the fluid into a transformer, GlobeCore suggests using a thermal vacuum dehydration technology by way of CMM-LT units. Key technical features of CMM-LT units: temperature control, optimized heating with no fluid over temperature, high-level vacuuming, dissolved gas and moisture removal, multi-stage filtration, removal of particulate matter from fluid. Processing results: moisture content, not exceeding 50 parts per million. Volumetric gas content, not exceeding 1.5%. MIDEL oil quality, compliant with IEC 61099. Purity class, at least 14/12 according to ISO 4406. In addition to their technical advantages, the CMM-LT units feature compact dimensions and the ability to be used in confined indoor spaces, including transformer substations or oil storage facilities. They are easy to transport and integrate into the existing production cycles. The methods discussed above can be used individually or in combination, which allows the equipment to be flexibly adapted to specific conditions and requirements. Thus, depending on the initial state of MIDEL 7131 dielectric fluid, GlobeCore offers effective solutions that make it possible to achieve the specified moisture levels, to enhance the electrical reliability and stability of high-voltage equipment, to ensure compliance with international standards, to reduce the risks of ignition and extend the service life of fluid, to improve the environmental safety for using the actual MIDEL fluid and for operating the equipment wherein it is used. And how do you solve the issue of MIDEL 7131 dielectric fluid dehydration in your practice? Share your experience in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for MIDEL 7131 dielectric fluid dehydration can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.